Sabi ko sa inyo, meron tayong nurses at doctors na certificate. So, aside from the PRC license ng nurses at doctors, kailangan meron din silang post training. Correct yun ha? Dapat updated yung kanilang PRC license. Architect, engineers, kailangan meron silang PRC license. Because we need to have a liable person sa job site na pipirma doon sa mga kailangan pirmahan. Technical. TESDA. Ito na. Binanggit ko kanina kaya na. Requirement. That you need to have NC2 certification. Electrician, welder, mason, carpenter, pagkang foreman, ni-require, kailangan yung mga leadman, foreman nyo may TESDA certification. Machine operator, TESDA certification. Na-expire yan. Parang 3 or 5 years. Depende sa binibigay na certification ng TESDA. So, kailangan i-audit nyo rin yun kung updated ba yung certification nila. Kung hindi, ipa-renew. Because at the end of the day, kapag nagkaroon ng inspection si DOLE, hahanapin yung mga documents at dapat ready yung site natin. At part yan ng documentation natin kapag kayo ay nag-create ng Construction Safety Net Program. Ang Construction Safety Net Program natin may form na kailangan i-fill out, i-submit. Ang attachment naman nito, lahat ng requirements. Safety Officer Requirement, Certificate, attached. First Aider, Certification, attached. TESDA, Certified Personnel, i-attach natin. Magkano ulit ang penalty kapag walang TESDA certification? 40,000 pesos. So, part yan ng ating DO 198. Ayan. So, certified personnel, we are pertaining to TESDA certified workers. Professionals, we are pertaining to PRC license personnel.